Bore da pawb, gobeithio chi'n iawn ar dydd llun yma. Hope everyone's okay on this bright yet cold Monday morning. Jyst i cario ymlaen, dechrau sesiwn gyda cactus fi, Pinky, achos, that's right, it's pink. Very original name, ond dda. So we go for rhoi lot o dŵr, don't have to give lots of water, enjoy o. Okay, gobeithio pawb gyda dŵr, mae da fi dŵr ar ochr fan hyn, gwisgo pethau addas, okay? Ffit Yn 5, just in case. Chi heb wneud o blaen, okay? 5 gweithgaredd, ni'n mynd i twymo lan, cwlo lawr, 5 gweithgaredd, gweithio am munud yr un, gyda gorffwys yn y gweithgaredd, okay? We're going to work for a minute for 5 exercises. And we're going to have a little break in each of the exercises, just to break it up, I torri e lan. Na I esbonio be ni'n mynd i wneud. Ni'n mynd i wneud y jig. I've called it the jig. Not quite sure if it's an actual name. Okay, so gweud ni'n defnyddio right foot. Okay, trod dde. Llaw chwith, left hand, touch. A wedyn ni'n wneud gyferbyn opposite. So, ni'n just mynd i dechrau fel yna, a wedyn, when we've got a bit of rhythm, and ni just mynd mewn i hwnna, okay? So, ni'n gweithio hip flexors, bach o pinol, coesau hefyd, okay? Clap dros ben, overhead clap, and ni'n just, wneud siwr ddim yn touch o ceiling. Claps dros y pen, nice big clap, a wedyn, dechrau marcho hefyd, pengliniau'n dod lan. Okay, not a competition, doesn't have to be super fast, but we're making our shoulders work over the top of our head. Dim lot o lle dy fi, ond wneud siwr mae lle gyda chi. Ni'n mynd i wneud crunch. Nawr te, lot o pobl wneud crunches wahanol, a lot of different people have different ideas on crunches. Be fi hoffi wneud, pengliniau lan, trad flat ar y llaw, okay? We're going to lie back on the floor. And the crunch yw un bach, just touch. Sit up is all the way to the top. Ni'n just need crunch bach. Crunch a lawr. Crunch a lawr. It's working the muscles, and we don't have to go to the top because it's a crunch. Okay, yr un nesaf, walk out neu cerdded mas. Stand up tall, okay? Plygu pengliniau, bend your knees. Hands are going to go down to the floor. And you're going to walk out to a plank. A wedyn, ni'n dod nôl, sefyll lan. Okay? Bend down, walk it out, plank. And nôl lan. Again, not a competition. Take your time doing it properly. A wedyn, I benni off, pengliniau uchel, high knees, just to get a good sweat, get the heart rate going cyn ni'n gorffen. Okay, a wedyn ni'n mynd i cwlo lawr, quick stretch, job done. A wedyn, ni wedi dechrau yr wythnos off mewn ffordd fantastic. We would have started off the week in a fantastic way. Okay, dŵr, fi'n mynd i cael sip o dŵr, a wedyn syth mewn i'r warm-up, twymo lan, okay. Job's a good one. Gobeithio pawb wedi cael penwythnos dda. Hael yn dechrau dod mas nawr. And get the blood pumping. Okay, ni'n mynd i wneud twists. So just sefyll nôl, bach nôl. Coesau mewn un ffordd, dwylo ffordd arall, okay? So I'm going to go boom, boom, twist. Okay, pam ydych chi'n weld? A wedyn bach. A little bit faster, okay? So hips are going, arms are going the other way. Oh, funny. Oh, you've lost gwaith. Cadw fynd. Stop. Okay, so cofia. I'm going to zoom in. One way, arms. Switch. Switch. Good. Mae'n eitha tough, okay? Get the heart rate going. Oh, ni wedi. Oh, no. Little bounce. Da iawn, okay. Ni'n mynd syth yn ei heel flicks, okay, coli lan yn y cefn. Just dechrau off cerdded, just walk it off, nice walk. Get the hamstrings warmer. Okay, cofia, train your hamstrings. The big muscle behind your leg. Quads o flan, hamstrings ti ôl. A wedyn, pigo fel lan. Dwylo mynd hefyd, hands are moving too. Keep pumping the arms, good. Mae pawb yn gweud, make sure you kick your bum. Don't kick your bum, pa'n neud yna. Just neud nhw'n eitha agos. Mae lot o pobl yn rhoi dwylo fyna. A lot of people put their hands there. You're kicking your hands. Ti'n clywed. Achos fi'n gweithio galed, fi'n anadlu mwy, I'm not talking as smoothly. And that's what we want. We want to see a bit of exercise, working the heart. A da iawn. Siglo fe mas. Shake it out. Last one. A wedyn ni'n mynd syth mewn i, okay? Squat walk. Ni wedi gwneud squat o blaen. Ni mynd i plug i pengliniau. Bum's going to go down into an invisible chair. A ni'n dod lan. Tro ma. Mewn eich lle, in your space. Squat. Lan. Cerdded. Squat. Hello. Lan. Cerdded. Hello. Oh! The sun, it burns my eyes. A wedyn nôl. A lan. Squat. Dibynnu on beth ti'n moyn wneud. If you want to put your feet close, it makes it a lot harder. Ond fi'n hapus i wneud e, hip width. A cerdded nôl. Cofia, cefn syth. Fi ddim yn mynd dros o. Un mwy, back and forth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Da iawn, siglo mas. Quick bach o dŵr. There we beint o dŵr fan hyn. Oh, it's got a mousse on it. I like funky glasses, pan ddim. Facts I gael fyd. Ond ni ddim ma am wildlife facts. Falle wedyn. OK. Os chi'n barod. Hamstrings yn tight wrthnos diwetha. Oh. OK. So the jig yw'r un cynta. OK, so cofio'r cyferbyn, right foot, left, a swap on, OK? All right, pawb barod? Ewn ni. Dechrau off fel hyn os chi moyn. Just to get the rhythm. A wedyn jumps. Cofia, don't go off like the clappers fel nhw'n gweud. Time it. Wyth eiliad. Diolch i weld, ni ddim yn siarad yna. I was not talking. There's a reason. Couldn't. A ni'n mynd eto. Woo! Carry on. 123 is my average, a fi lan I 135. Pawb barod. Cyferbyn, opposite, get a rhythm. Keep your back straight, cefn syth. Don't hunch over to get closer. Oh, mae hwn yn tough. Hamstrings. Ah, yeah. I said, oh, 10 eiliad, come on it. Carwyn! Cofia, Os mae unrhyw beth yn tough, derfyn yn ôl lawr. If it's anything's tough, go back down. So fel na, quality gyda fi, ddim great, ond we got through it. Just cerdd na, nôl I hwn. Oh! Clap dros ben. Okay? Clap. Fel hyn, nice and easy. A wedyn am ni cael y cerdded mewn. Okay, fi'n just dechrau off. Claps. Nice and slow. Anadlu trwy troen. A fi'n barod nawr. Just i wneud bach mwy. Not all the way up, just a bit of a march. Fel y mis, like the month. Ooh, 144. 144. Oh, yr un peth to. Be fi ddim moyn wel, what I don't want to see is just fel... Ni ddim moyn hwnna, control it. Control o fe ar y ffordd lawr hefyd. Okay? A lot of people think doing exercises super fast is better. Actually, mae fe ddim. Actually, it's not. Control it. Os chi'n neud press-ups, for example, count them out. 1, 2, 3, and all that. Shoulders fi. Sgwydda fi. Dost. Okay, byd ni'n mynd nawr. Fi angen diod. Binky fyna. Shuri plug. Okay. Ni'n mynd I gorau lawr, cofia. So fi yn y canol. YouTube a Facebook, penglin I lan. Feet, trad, flat ar y llawr, gorau lawr. Dwylo. Touch the top o'r pengliniau. Touch the top of the knees. Crunch. Take your time. Na gyd yw e, you'll feel it. Oh. If you want to go faster, that's up to you. Wel lan I chi. Quality over quantity. A be fi yn rili hoffi fel, go to the bell. Os ti'n gweld 2 seconds left on y gare, go right to the bell. Hwna pam mae'r timer arno, 30 eiliad, we work for the full 30 seconds, okay? 3, 2, lawr. Off funny. Oh, yeah. Cofio anadlu. Don't just hold your breath. In and out. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Un mwy. Da iawn pawb. Wy! Ni'n cerdded mas. Walk out. So neud siŵr mae bach o lle. Should be exactly the same height as you. Trad ddim yn symud. Ni'n mynd mas. Plank am 1 eiliad bach. Plug I pengliniau a ni'n cerdded nôl. My feet have not moved. Okay? 5 eiliad. Siglo fe mas. Alright. Walk out. Plank. Nôl. Sefyll lan. Stand up. Plank. Cerdded nôl. Lan. 10 eiliad, come on then, cadw fynd. Benni off dy fi. A lan, good. Hwnnw'n mynd gyflym heddi, ni'n gweithio galed. Hiya! Oh, good numbers, good numbers. Croeso pawb. 5 eiliad, walk out. Walk out with me. Oh. blank, nôl. Sefyll lan. If you want to go a bit quicker, man I chi. If you want to test yourself, good. Da iawn pawb. 5 eiliad un arall. All the way. Finish it off. Good. Pen gliniau uchel. High knees. Time it. A fi'n gweud time it. Pai just mynd off fel Usain Bolt. We're going to work for 1 minute, okay? So 30 eiliad a 30 eiliad. If you go flat out, erbyn y diwedd, bydd pengliniau'n jyst wneud hwn. Ni moyn nhw dod lan. Brech y cyferbyn. Okay, opposite arms are going as well. Da iawn, hwnna'n tough. If you think you can go a bit quicker, a 10 eiliad ar ôl o'r un set cynta, 10 seconds left the first set. Oh, 138, 139, 140, 141. 10 eiliad. Fi'n mynd I cael coffi ar ôl hwn. Lovely fresh press, so I'm going to go for it. Treat bach, off a ni. Oh, bad idea, Steph. Da iawn. Mae hwn yn tough. Hanner ffordd trwyddo, this is the last set. Coesau fi'n llosgi nawr, come on then. 7, 6. Cerdded round! Cerdded round! Ennill lle. Have a little walk. 145. Oh. Anadlu. Trwy. That's cake. So mae hwn yn gweud, it burnt off 100 calories and Ffit Yn 5. Nawr, yn be, literally 7, 8 minutes work. Hwnna'n good going. Okay. Slow ar anadlu nôl. Feed the chickens. Okay, plug un penglin. Yr un llall yn mas ar llawr yn syth. The other one's going out straight. Feed the chickens. Swap o droso. Back foot, as mae'n gweud, is going to bend. Other leg is going out straight. Boom. Hamstrings. Meddwl yn bit i'r muscles. Which ones did we use? Definitely use hamstrings. Can fynd. Nawr te, os mae cader agos, if there's a chair near you, you can use a chair. Or you can use your ear to grab hold of. I need quad stretch. Quads of lan. We definitely work the quads. Okay. We try. Ooh, balance. Cydbwysau. Hold on to something. Os chi'n adre. Maybe your dog is really tall. Neu mae mam na. Pwy bynnag. Swap o droso. We're flushing out the muscles, okay? Cael gyd o lactic acid. Hwna'r bit sy'n teimlo'n drwm neu boeth. Just flushing it out. Oh. Da iawn. Okay. Bach o groin stretch, okay? Because we did a bit of twists or stuff. Un coes mynd mas. A plygu. A keep the other one straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Push o mewn. Sdim da fi digon lle, so I'm going to take a little step. Ffordd arall. Plygu. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da iawn. A 1 yn y canol while your legs are still there. Heart rate's up to 97, mae'n o'r ffordd nôl. Don't bounce, just hold. If you can touch the floor, fantastic. Os ti ddim yn gallu, mae hwnna'n iawn. Oh. Ar y ffordd lan, all the way up. Arms go stretch to the sky. Yna di mewn. Oh, a lawr. OK. Da iawn pawb. Mae rhai o chi nôl yn ysgol. Fantastic. Mae rhai o chi dal adre. Some of you are back in school, which is great. Some of you are still at home for a little bit. Hwnna'n fine. Carolan, gyda Facebook, gyda trwy mam a dad, Microsoft Teams hefyd. Mae gyd y sesiynau fyna. So if you're bored at home and you fancy doing something extra, mae popeth ar YouTube channel ni. A na fe, okay? Mae'r haf ar y ffordd. Gobeithio dydd Gwener, mwy o gwybodaeth dyn ni i fynd mas a neud mwy o chwaraeon a malfe corff. Diolch pawb, welwch chi'n fuan. Ta-ta!